Hello, my name is Francis, and I'm with Winning Solutions Inc., and I'm here again today with another free Microsoft Access tutorial. This one is on our Plumber Certification Training / Test Tracking Database template. So I've already got it open, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. The first thing we're going to look at, and we're not really going to change anything in here, but we're just going to look over it for you, is the maintain lists. And this is really where you get to add a lot of specificity to your database. You see we have departments. We have listed Department 1, Department 2, and Department 3. To change one, you just have to replace it. So say if you wanted to say Human Resources, you could just put Human Resources in, and that would now be an available option when you went to pick later. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and leave it as Department 3 for now. Okay, same, we got locations, and you also don't have to stick with the number we have. You can 100% add as many as you like. You can add some new plumbers. We've just got some test data in here, but this is where you would go if you wanted to hire a new plumber. And then we have test/training if you have specific tests they take, or if you need to enter a new one, you can do that here. So this really is like the heart of your database. Okay, so let's go ahead and go look at calendar view. There won't be anything on it yet because we haven't put anything. This one's for the day. We also have by week. Okay. And then we have bi-weekly. And then by month. So let's get something on there. Which means we need to add certification, training, or tests. We're going to make person 1 say they took test 1, location 1. And we'll say it took them 2 hours. Okay, so the way the calendar works is it shows when their tests expire. And I'm going to want to be able to show some of those for December. So let's jump over here and say that this plumber took a test last month. And it expires a month later on the 4th. Okay, and we'll say that this was their monthly safety exam. And we will save and close. And I'm going to go and add a couple more just so we can really populate the calendar. Person 2, they're also going to take their monthly safety exam. We'll say they took theirs mid-November, so it'll expire mid-December. Great. And same note. Okay, I'm just going to add a couple more real quick. One for everybody. Same test, just to keep it easier. Okay. I want them to all expire in December. Okay. Alright, and person 4. Oh, I didn't save that. Hold on. Person 3. Save and close. Okay, person 4, test 1, location 1, hours 2, date passed. Okay, great. Alright, so I've now added a monthly safety exam for plumbers 1 through 4. And we're going to go look at the calendar to see the expiration dates. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have anything expiring today. So we're going to need to go out to the month view. And there we go. Each one that's set to expire is listed here. Alright, so that you can keep track of that and keep their testing up to date. And then just something I wanted to point out is that we also have the calendar setup. And you can, if you want it to be a work week, you can set it to show Monday first, only show the work week. You can set the time it shows. So if you have an 8 to 5 business, for example, you can set it to only show that 8 to 5 window. Okay, and then every 30 minutes. Great. Okay, so now that I've done that, I can go back to the calendar view and over to week. And it will only show Monday through Friday, and it will only show the 8-hour work day. Then, as you can see, we can jump forward by week. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is search schedule. They'll all show up since I put them all on location 1. You can see they were already down here, but they're still here after the search. And you can double click them to see them on the more specific calendar, or you can export them here, or you can do it through here, but this just allows you to choose how you want it to be exported and export it to your personal Outlook calendar or to your business Outlook calendar, whatever your account's linked to. And it just helps you keep a little better track in and out of the database. So that has been our free tutorial for the Plumber Certification Training / Test Tracking Database. I've been Francis with WSI, and I hope that you have found this video to be both informative and entertaining, and I hope you have a good one. Thank you.